Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we are removing the stereo in this Toyota Auris. We take our plastic removal tool and pry gently. Right here we have a connector. Just press on the tab like so. Same on this side. Now the trim is free. On this side we have two 10mm bolts or screws, and if we come over to this side, there are two 10mm. So let's remove those. Now we can pull the stereo out, and you wanna tilt it to your right to come past these mounting brackets. To replace it, just undo the connectors. I'm not going to, because I'm not sure if I need a security code. I do not have it. So the reinstall is just the reverse of removal. Now once the stereo is in place, start all four screws and tighten them. So now it's time for the connectors. That's one. And that's two. You see this metal thing? It needs to come between. Like so, snaps in place. So now it's just a matter of pushing the trim in place. Yep, it's in all the way. Yeah, nice. Well guys, now you know how to remove and replace the radio / stereo in your Toyota Auris. Thanks for watching everyone, and remember, like and subscribe guys, and I'll see you in the next one.